and then you can go through twice, and then you come into heaven 6, ba, 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 and then 1, 1, 2, 2, heaven 6, ba.
Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY.
It goes, one comes across, like we just did angle 1 with the left, angle 2 with the right. Now, when you hit angle 2 with the left, don't come across the body. Hit angle 2 and let it come underneath. And that chambers you to heaven 6. And then you're going to go follow through, hit and retract. Follow through, hit and retract. Okay? So, real quick, angle 1, angle 1, angle 2, angle 2, and it hits and loops underneath, and then heaven 6. And then when you hit angle 1, so when you go heaven 6, boom, 1 follow through, 2 follow through. When you hit, it retracts back to open, and then it's back to putting in your shots, and then back to heaven 6, and then follow through, hit. Coming out of your heaven 6, you follow through, hit, retract, follow through. When you hit, you don't retract under, you hit, and it comes back to open. And then you're back into your shots, and then you can go through twice, and then you come into heaven 6, ba, 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 and then 1, 1, 2, 2, heaven 6, ba, 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 1, 1, 2, 2.